JDCap26 here. Let's do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And some people need to learn about tools, and this is just for like turning valves and things that you have to grip and turn off, say like under the sink or something like that. And some of the tools we have, we're going to go through the minimum to the maximum, and you could use a multi-tool to turn off a valve underneath the sink. You can, grip it and turn it uh, to loosen this way, to tighten that way. Okay, then you can go to the pliers, simple household pliers to get under the valve. You use this part on the valve. You may want to put a rag on the valve and then turn it and grip it like that. They're nice and compact, and they give you a little bit of leverage to turn what you need to turn. They don't give you a lot of leverage, like in this will give you some leverage. The best thing to use are, I call these water pump pliers, and these are adjustable. I mean, you can adjust them that much. Okay, and these are about an 8-inch model, and you got a lot of leverage, and you can adjust them. Some people use vice grips. I don't recommend vice grips because you can crush the valve where the handle goes back on if you want to put the handle back on the valve. So don't use vice grips. I have a pair down there. I'll show you what they look like. I have a pair actually right here. This is a needle nose vice grip. You don't want to use these because once you click them down, you can actually crush the valve, and you don't want to do that. So use something like a water pump or general household pliers or a multi-tool, and you should be all set with most of your needs of these three pair. You should be all set with what you need to do under the sink as far as the valves go, and even on top of the sink. There's other specialty tools for underneath the sink. I won't get into those. And like taking off the cowl of the sink and things like that. But I did this video to help you out, and I hope this helps you to learn about tools. And I hope you have a nice day, and thank you for watching. Please give me the thumbs up if you can, and please rate and subscribe. We'll see you next time.